After carding, then they do spinning. It's all by hand. After spinning, then they do the color. All the color we see here at the loom, as well in a carpet, all is natural dates. For example, look at the black color is coming from coal. You know coal? Mascara. Carbon. And red, it's from poppy flower. Do you know poppy? No, amapola. And the green, it's from alfalfa. Yellow, it's saffron. Orange, it's from henna. And the white is a natural wool. The brown, it's henna and vinegar. Blue, indigo. And how they fix them, the nomad family, they fix them by hot water, vinegar, and mineral salt for fixation. After fixation, they put them to dry. After dry, they come behind loom, they do carpet. They work a day only 4 or 5 hours a day. Because here, the nomad family, they think for the quality, not for the quantity. And it's very hard as well for them for ice, and it's very hard for bags. But please first, beber whiskey.
Assalamu alaikum.
Alaikum salam.
Whiskey berbère.
Sugar. Sugar.
السكر عليك شكرا
Sugar. Without. Sin.
sugar
Sin. Ah, sì, sì, sì.